Hello, this is Ebbs Gaming. This is my third video, and today we are playing some more Teardown Multiplayer, and please subscribe. The dynamic aircraft test maps. They're always laggy. And they always have insane mods. What's drift trucks? That should be interesting. Oh wait, there's a guy flying a plane. Why am I saying that? You almost killed me! Man, do you need emergency services? I'll get one for you. Let's see. Never fear, help is here. Get out of the way. I'm here. Wait, is that fake fire? See, I saved the world. What's this scar? Does it give you scars? I bet. I bet. Let's bet this guy for his money. Shoot the. Son. Goodbye. I said goodbye. Why can't I shoot? Why can't I shoot? I meant. Goodbye, plane. The exploding sounds are so realistic in the headphones. No, you are not allowed to fly army planes. This is a heist job. No physical disadvantage. Say goodbye. I hate this. I hate that oh, mouse works. Anyways. Now let's not do no prop hunt. How about dynamic undercover construction something. Construction structures. What is that? Attack drone, the finger. What are those dots for? Hook shotgun, more drip trucks, and custom slap hands. Spawnable AI? No. I'm not with AI, okay? Oh, it might have been a mistake joining the server. Oh, I see why. Wait, why was I flying there, even though my mouse was stuck? Oh, so maybe it was not my mouse. Maybe it was that dingus. No, stop! What is this custom slap hand? I must do a heist job like James Bond. Oh, this'll work. No! I just killed myself. What was that happen to? Oh, I gotta get away from this crazy guy. So, leap. Wait. Oh. Let me get out. I can't even grapple. Let me get out. Oh, I gotta get up there. So long. Wait, I haven't even got my drop deal yet. No, please. I gotta run. Where to run? Oh, run up there. I can't even get up there. Oh, this sucks. Oh, jeez. Oh, yes. Now I get it. The grapple gun. Man. Yes, please, can you not do the... Oh, come on! Oh, come on! I do not want to do a prop hunt. If you want to watch me do the prop hunt one, then you should watch the second video. Waiting for a host to pick a map. Which map will it be? Also, there's that guy right next to me. Hurry up! Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Goodbye. Wait, there was a bridge in Russian Town 6? The Racer! That sounds cool. Woo! Sandbox Custom! Yeah, let's join some Oak Street. We have been kicked from the server for nothing. Bruh, it's really fun. Oh well, I just could play in a boring server, I guess. Yeah, this floor. Hello, sir. I want to buy this house. Also, I hate your biz. Freedom! Now let me get into this house and really movies. FBI, open up! There's an assassin in this home. We will not leave it to this, but... Oh, phew. Great, the assassin was right there. Right. Are you restarting it? Cause I bet you're restarting it. Ooh ho ho, hum dee hum, la la la. Evening of destruction, hum dee dum. One spark can ignite an entire forest. Well, let's see. Let's ask the experts. Yes, no, it cannot start an entire fire. Hey guys, the tree next to your house is on fire, and it's burning, and oh, you're gonna die, and are you my friend? No, he's not my friend, as I was wasting time by you. Host. This is gonna burn down now. Host. The house is gonna burn down now because of me, and yeah, and you think it's gonna not burn down, but that sucks. I've been kicked, I've been whooped, oh well, okay, no more throwing stuff around. Let's just act casual, try not to get ejected. Hurry up. Oh, come on. Oh. Well, let's just be normal. Like, let's drive. Have a nice time in the countryside. Try not to die. Try not to die. I said try not to die. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, oh. Well, I guess I could drive this train. Hello? Can I not drive you? I can't even get up the train. Well, finally. Oh, I have an idea. Let me in! Let me in this menacing machine. Let me in! Let me in this menacing machine. Well, that did it. That made it so that I could get in this menacing machine. Finally. No driving seat. Well, the driving seat, so I guess this will be a bomb train. And we will try to not die on it. Oh, hop, 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 hop. How far did this train go? Somebody please tell me. How far will it go? How far will it not? Oh, I don't know, but... See ya! Die! Did I kill it? That's stupid. Say goodbye. Papa. Well, I got him. Hey, you stole my Buick GNX. I must help you with this mission. To say goodbye to power lines, Sonny. They were never invented. And they never existed. Because we're cutting up the power lines. The power lines are down. Power lines are down. Power lines are down. No emergency services anymore. Hey, don't I remember being there something? Something over here? Something? We will break it to area 51. Come on, you suck. And see. Yay! Yeah. 24 10 Chevrolet Volt. The best moments in Teardown when your car gets run over by pigs. Ciao, Sonny. That was the wrong message. Oh, excuse me, I gotta get home. Let me swerve. Yeah, this is my home. This is my car park. This is my door. This is my... Someone robbed my house! I'll put in the safety barrier. Oh, I'm gonna die. This is my house. This is a nice home. It's got totally safety protection. It's one of the safest houses in the world. Yeah, and nope, and it's one of the safest houses in the world. In fact, all of Blue Tide. In fact, it's in the most happiest neighborhood ever. There are no power lines. There is no Blue Tide. Blue Tides. There are no train trucks. Train trucks were never a thing. So yeah, suckers. There are no trees. That's... Goodbye. Goodbye. Hey, you wrecked my house. You wrecked my house. This is my car. This car is indestructible. It's one of the safest cars in the world. And it's also one of the safest cars in the world because whenever it gets broken, the FBI will come and, well, kaboom it. Say goodbye to you, dudes. Boom! Ha ha ha. That is one of the safest houses in the world. And this is too. Goodbye house, goodbye home, goodbye random street lamp over there. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay sweet. Oh, I'm gonna get sued. Sorry for saying that. Anyways, please subscribe and bye. Okay, this is really the end. Go home now.